Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antara.
And welcome to my room.
Today we are going to clean up her super messy room.
It's not messy.
Oh really?
It's just crowded. You know?
It's crowded, yeah.
Yeah, it's crowded stuff.
You can see. There is clutter everywhere, so I need to fix it before it gets out of hand. I think it will take at least 4 to 5 hours to complete.
And it's from like when I was really little because we didn't renovate anything.
Yes, you are right. We need to fix your room, renovate your room. I don't know how many days it will take to completely clean it up, but let's start the video and let's start cleaning. Oh my god, what a hot mess. We have to buy some new carpets for her room. These are from her childhood when she used to love all Disney characters. Oh, look at her. She was only 1 year old that time. These are all her artwork and favorite posters. This bunny is from her kindergarten, which is very favorite of mine. These are all her artworks from first grade, second grade, third grade. And these are her favorite posters. And this Michigan softball poster is from the Michigan University. When she was in 5th grade, she did a project on Michigan University, and from that university, head coach sent her lots of things. So this is the poster from that university. What a coincidence! After a couple of months, when we went to Florida in December, that time in that same hotel where we were staying, the same team from Michigan University were staying also in the same hotel. Rimilu was so excited and thought she could meet them, but it was a bad luck for her that they left for practice in the early morning. This is one boarding pass of Titanic. Once we went to a Titanic museum, there she collected it. And this beautiful smile poster is from her favorite teacher. This lady under the umbrella is her recent artwork. During quarantine, she painted this. And these are her collection of bookmarks. She used to read a lot of books during the summer or during the whole year. So she earned lots of bookmarks from her teacher or from library as a gift. Rimil made these pencil holders, so we use it still. I mean, I use it for some reason, and she uses it to keep her crayons, markers, pens, pencils, everything. She's trying to scare me with a toy. She got this sword from her taekwondo. She wants to spar with me all the time. These are all her taekwondo trophies. She already got her black belt last year. I'm sorting out all of her supplies and putting them in different containers, so it will be easier to find out everything. She made lots of marks on her desk, so I am using some baking soda and vinegar to remove them. Finally, I am mopping the floor. It means I am almost done. Finally, I'm done. Oh my god. What was a mess. Let me show you how it's looking right now. It took 5 hours to clean everything here. I put all of her achievements in front of her eyes so that all the time she can look at it and she will be motivated from that. We started in the morning and it's almost evening. When she was 1.5 years old, that time she participated in a beauty pageant and she won second place and she won this trophy also. These are some clay art pieces which she made. And this is her cute piggy bank. Hope you have enjoyed my video and got some good motivation to clean your daughter or son's room, because I know we all mom need some motivation to start cleaning our kids' room. From last 1 month I was planning to clean her room. Finally, after 1 month I am cleaning today and also I am done. Oh my god, feeling so happy after finishing this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.